everyone, my name is Aniya, and in today's video, I will be showing you guys my morning skincare routine. I look really ugly right now because I just woke up. Took a shower, got out the shower, and now I'm doing this YouTube video. I don't have my eyelashes on, so I look like a hairless cat, but whatever. Some of the products that I use in today's video contain AHA and BHA, so I would recommend for you guys to go research and get familiar with those ingredients before purchasing, just so you know. I know this is what everyone tells everyone, but I'm going to tell you guys too. Drinking water is key to clear skin. Drinking water, if you do not drink water, then the products you use, it won't really make a difference unless you are getting your intake of water. I had to find this out the hard way. I used to have really bad skin, like really bad skin, like.
Now we have constructed a square.
And now my skin is kind of clear. I haven't been doing too good. I've been drinking juice, so I'm cutting down on that. I would say about 30% is the skincare products that you use. The key to clear skin is mostly what you intake. So if you're drinking a lot of juice, a lot of soda, eating junk food, this and that, your skin's gonna look really bad. Myself, I drink about 3 to 4 water bottles a day. I don't really know the exact measurements of how much you are supposed to drink a day, but whatever, like, it's working for me. Like, oh well. So before I do my skincare routine, I would like to put my hair up. So that's what I'm going to do. Just put my hair up. Oh wow, that didn't work out. Let's get at least YouTube fun.
From 2 experiences on
Okay, so now my hair is up and I'm going to start. I said the rest of this video was going to be a voiceover, but I lied. So I'm just going to describe each of the products before I apply them to my face, because I don't feel like doing that. I don't at all. Okay. Period. No. So firstly, I apply a skin cleanser or face wash. These 3 are the cleansers that I use, or face washes that I use. This is the Cetaphil Gentle Skin Cleanser. This cleanser is very good for sensitive skin. This cleanser it doesn't foam up, so you may not think that it's doing anything, but I promise it is. This really works. The reason I have 3 cleansers is because I like to rotate. I don't like to use the same cleanser, because if you use the same cleanser, your face will get used to that cleanser and it won't work. So these are the 2 that I usually rotate upon. This one is the Purpose Gentle Face Wash or Cleansing Wash. This one is developed by a dermatologist, boo. This one, like, is really soft. Like, it's so soft. Like, I really recommend getting this. So these 2 are my normal go-tos, but this one is for my really bad breakout phases. This is the Derma Doctor Ain't Misbehaving cleanser. This is the cleanser that contains BHA and AHA. Because this cleanser is medicated, I recommend you guys research this. You can probably go to the website and go to this product and it will tell you like what it does, how it can affect you, this and that. It smells like medicine. It doesn't like smell good at all. It smells like medicine, but this is really worked for my skin. So bang. Today, since I'm not having any bad breakouts, I'm just going to use my Cetaphil. Pat. Don't scrub, you need to pat. Okay. The next thing that I use is this Maria Badescu toner, but I'm kind of out of it, as you can see. This is the facial spray with the aloe, herbs, and rose water. So I'm just gonna spray it. You can fan it off. It feels really good when you fan it off like this. The reason that you use this toner after you cleanse your face is because the products you would start to use afterwards are more heavier, and this is lighter. So easy on her first. Girl, okay, this is not no dermatologist video. This is a nice video. So if I'm incorrect, just like let it go. Okay, like I'm a junior, so I don't really know. This is just my logic. You can also rub it in if you don't want to wait. You can rub it in. The next thing that I use is this serum. It has a squeezy thingy, but it has like glitter in here. Oh, whatever. I'm just gonna do that thing they do on Instagram. This is not a good squeezy thing. I am going to go purchase a lighter serum. Probably a vitamin C serum. This serum is light, but it is kind of dense. As y'all may have seen in this video, I have a pimple in my eyebrow. Not the most usual place for a pimple to be, but that's what I get. I get unusual pimples. Lastly, this is a moisturizer by Aniya. I really recommend this moisturizer to be a morning moisturizer in your skincare routine, because not only is it a moisturizer, but it's a sunscreen, and you know you need both of those before you go out or this and that. So it's perfect. It's perfect to apply before your day is started.
And now we have constructed a square.
And you are done. I'm done. The last product that I have is this Pond's correcting cream. It just evens out your skin tone. I put it on dark spots from where I pop my pimples. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope that my skincare routine was enjoyable. If you guys go out and purchase these products that it helps with your skin, comments, please comment what content you guys would like for me, what videos you guys would like for me. Thank you guys for watching once again, and I will be back with another video later this week. I promise.